Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that we pretty much created today. I really love the way this look came out. You're gonna see that while I was filming, your girl started struggling because shadows weren't blending well and I just was not liking the way the color combination was coming about. However, I love the way that this look came out. This is just a fun look. I don't know, I just like the way it came out. So if you want to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start with prepping the skin. As you know, that is one of the most important and crucial parts of having a flawless makeup application. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my lips. This is from the brand called Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. I've been using this for about a couple, maybe 2 weeks now, I would say. And right now in New York City, the weather is very cold and my skin has been drier than ever and my lips have been super dry. This has been keeping my lips fully moisturized and not having to worry about receiving those cracks that are on your lips during the winter time. So what I like of it, it's pretty big. Kind of reminds me of like the regular cocoa butter stick. The next product that I'm going to take is from Belif. This is the Aqua Bomb Mist. You guys know that this is definitely a very big part of my skincare routine. You guys have seen this pretty much in all of my YouTube videos. So what I like to do is I just like to mist my face pretty much until my skin is damp enough. And then I kind of like to tap it into my skin. So I'll pretty much just tap it. Next product that I'm going to take is from Purlisse. This is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb, and I like to apply this gel moisturizer right after I apply my Aqua Bomb mist. I just take a little bit, not too much, so about that amount. Alright you guys, so now that our skin is all prepped, we're gonna go ahead and prime our skin. So I'm going to be using about 2 different primers. I'm actually going to be using, and this is as to no surprise, I'm going to be using my Milk Makeup. This is the Blur Stick Foundation. What I like to do is I like to apply that in my T-zone areas just to kind of like mattify everything. The next primer that I'm going to take is from Too Faced. This is the Hangover Primer. This is infused with coconut water, so I really love how hydrated it makes my skin feel. The reason why I use the Blur Stick is because I like to look more poreless towards the center. That's the area where your pores tend to show a lot more, and it also helps to mattify so that whatever foundation you use, it just doesn't look as oily. Next product I'm going to take is from L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This at one point used to be my favorite foundation ever. Like, I mean ever. Since I do try out so many products and since I try out so many different foundations, I have discovered a lot of really great foundations. However, I've kind of reached back out to this one and I just forgot how amazing this foundation is. So today we are going to be using this foundation. It's a drugstore brand foundation. I actually, like, the price is literally right there. I paid $13. A very affordable foundation. I actually think I even paid less because I went to Target and they had like a buy one get one 50% off. And of course, whenever they have a buy one get one 50% off, hella, like your girl's gonna buy more than one. I actually went and picked up one of these sponges. Well, I picked up 2 actually. These are the Morphe beauty sponges. Now, I have seen so many bloggers talk about how amazing this beauty sponge is. So your girl's gonna give you the honest truth about it. Everyone loves to throw their code on there, so I guess I'll say shop Glambykyanie at checkout. I don't wanna be one of those, but I mean, a girl needs to get her coins. But yeah, so if I like this, I will definitely let you guys know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this tapered part right here, and we're just gonna dab that right into our skin. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Shape Tape Concealer. I am in the shade Light Medium. You guys already know pretty much where I place this concealer. So right under my eyes, a little bit on top of my forehead, on my nose, and right on my chin. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and kind of just warm up our skin. So I'm going to be taking the Pure Cosmetics. This is the Cameo Contour Stick. What I love about it is it's kind of like, it's duo-ended. So you have the contour shade back here, and then you have the highlighting shade. I'm gonna go ahead and take my blender and just blend that out. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my Huda Beauty baking powder. Next, I'm going to jump into brows. As you guys already know, the two products that I use for my brows are the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely Made Brow Pencil and the Foolproof Brow Powder from Benefit Cosmetics. So what I like to do first is coffee break. Next thing I'm going to do is just grab a little bit of concealer. I have some right here on my hand, and I'm just going to use that to clean up my brows. We'll go ahead and put that right on my eyelid. We're just going to use this as a primer for our eyelid. At first he was like really not ready. He was like a little nervous, a little camera shy, but I think he's like almost there, you guys. Like I really think he's about to come on this YouTube channel and flex my face. And I think the reason why he was so iffy about it at first, he was like, I don't know, was because my boyfriend, a little fun fact about my boyfriend, a little fun fact about him is that, you guys, he's a perfectionist. So he doesn't want to come on here and do a bad job. He doesn't like want to come on here and you guys are expecting him to do a bad job. He wants to come on here and actually do a really good job. So I'm just going to take this powder right here and just put a little bit right on the tail. I really feel like he's going to be on here really soon, and I can't wait. Like, I'm so excited for him to do my makeup because I have the strongest feeling that he's actually going to do a really good job. Alrighty, you guys, so for the eyes, I'm actually going to be using a palette that has been on the shelves for a while. It just took me a long time to actually film with it. I don't know why. I received it a little while ago, maybe like 2 months back. Too Faced was so kind enough to send me a complimentary package, and this palette was actually in the package. What I love about it, I think it's so freaking cute. It looks like a chocolate bar. I like want to eat it. And the really awesome thing, like the cool thing is like, it literally smells like chocolate. It's so crazy. Okay, so this is the palette that we're gonna be using. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's called Cocoa Truffle, and we're going to be using that shade in our crease. Alright, we're going to stay in the chocolate family. I'm just going to be taking this palette from Profusion. This is called Chocolates. And what I'm actually going to do, I never use this palette, but I think it's just so freaking gorgeous, so I want to use it because the colors in here are my colors. So we're going to take this blue and just work that right into our crease. I'm going to take the darkest shade in the palette, which is right here, and I'm going to work that right on the outer corners. Next thing I'm going to do here is just cut the crease with some concealer. Go ahead and just blend the outer right here a little bit so that it doesn't look so harsh. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take this like bright pink shade called New Money, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right in the inner corners. Next, I'm going to take this gold color right here. This is called Chocolate Gold, and we're gonna go ahead and blend that in with the pink. I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this together right here. I'm just gonna grab some black eyeliner. This one is from Lancome. I'm just gonna take some of the NYX glitter, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it right here, kind of like on the center right here. For mascara, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I am going to be using one of my go-to lashes that I have been wearing all the time. These are Lily lashes in the style Miami. I have really been loving these lashes. They're so beautiful, so furry and so fluffy, just how I like it. So I'm gonna let my lashes dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off all of the powders that we have on our face. For bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Too Faced. This is the Milk Chocolate Matte. Let me just pop on my lashes real quick. Then I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Give Me Sun and just place that right where I used the chocolate souffle. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take the darkest shade of the palette and use that to right on the bottom. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take Cocoa Truffle and also blend that into the bottom. And then I'm taking Cocoa Truffle as well and just putting that right on the lower lash line as well, just to smoke that out a little bit more. That nice kind of like dramatic finish. I am going to go ahead and grab some blush. I'm gonna be taking the Gold Rush by Benefit. We're just gonna be applying that right on the apple. To set everything, I'm gonna be using my All-Nighter Urban Decay. To set everything, I'm gonna be using my All-Nighter Urban Decay setting spray. While I'm letting that dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my NYX lip liner. This is in London. And then I'm going to be taking my NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mascara to the bottom of my lower lash line. Awesome. And then highlighter time. Wait, hold on. All right, I'm gonna be using the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. Look at that baby right there. Oh. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M510 brush to apply my highlighter. Just dabbing it. I think I overdid it with the highlighter, but if anyone ever tells you that you're wearing too much highlight, you don't need that type of negativity. Just keep going. You don't need that negativity in your life. So now that we look like a chocolate glazed donut, I have to admit, I was a little like worried about this look. I was a little bit worried while I was doing it because I'm like, ooh, the shadow really wasn't blending that well in the beginning. And then, ooh, I don't know if I really like the gold and the pink together. But honestly, like now that I have everything in place, everything just looks good together. Everything just blended very well together. I'm just really quickly gonna go ahead and take my Sexy Hair. This is like a, kind of like a hairspray. I like to just put some like on the back of my hand and then just lay that down Alrighty, you guys, and this is pretty much the finished look. I hope that you guys love this look, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I really want to be more active on YouTube, so yeah, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I post a new tutorial every single week. The goal is to start posting more than once a week on here, but as for right now, your girl's gonna be posting every single week. So I'll see you guys on my next video.